in the sense 1948-49, when Jawaharlal Nehru came to Gujarat to open a project, a small irrigation project called Kakrapar, I went there, even though we somehow wanted to see him. Literally 500,000 people crowded. And Nehru was asked to push the lever so that the water gushes down the dam. And Baba Saheb Kher was the chief minister and Jiviraj Mehta was deputy chief minister. I am referring to 1948-49. And some of this I am addressing to those two young ladies who are there. And Nehru said, I am not going to push the lever down. He called a tribal girl who was in the working, labor group, saying, you come and so on. So there was a lot of confusion. What is Nehru saying? Anyway, workers then migrated in large numbers then as now, in large bunches, hundreds and thousands of people, whole families. And since there were no what are called earth moving equipment as such, there are crisscross ladders. I mean, if you see some of the old, I won't be able to explain it. People going up with headloads of earth and throwing and so on. I mean, it's not very easy to explain. So this woman, she came. She didn't have chappals also. She was 25-year-old. Nehru explained, come on, push this down, etc. Pani girega, water will fall. So that girl really, and the water gushed out and the crowd was jubilant. Then Nehru said, kuch karo, bolo, say something. So this girl practically broke down. I mean, Prime Minister, Chief Minister sitting there and this tribal girl who didn't have a pair of chappals. Bolo, speak something. What that girl said that day, I will not be able to forget because I was in the audience. Although I took some time to understand what she was saying. साहब ये काम खत्म हो गया 2 साल का, अब रोजगारी कहाँ मिलेगी?